I'm still not entirely happy with how the planet is displayed. We have only two colors and the background of our universe is not very space-like. First, let's fix our environment. I want the planet to be floating in space, and space looks black, so to change our background we have to edit our world environment in the game scene. The one we currently have is automatically generated from the standard background in the Godot scenes. Like I've said before and the title of the video suggests, I'm a fan of doing everything in code, so let's create our world environment in our game class. Let's use the same layout as before, with a create function where we create our node and an add function where we add it to the world. Let's call it from the init, and then when we play, we see the standard gray background it has when we don't edit anything about the world environment. So let's set an environment, set the background mode to custom color, and set the color to black. But when we play now, we don't see anything anymore. This makes sense considering there is no light coming from anywhere. To show our planet anyway, in the material we use in the planet we can set the shader mode to unshaded. This means light won't be taken into consideration for this material while running the game. For now this is fine and it shows our planet nice and bright. Now that our planet is floating in space, let's add some more colors to it. The Mesh Data tool has the option to set the color per vertex, so let's open our manipulate function and calculate the distance from the vertex to the center by taking the length of the vertex because the center is at 0. We'll set the standard color purple to easily spot potential errors. Closer to the water the color should look more like peaches, and the highest mountain tops should be more snow colored. So let's test against some distances to decide what color each vertex should have. To set the color, we use setVertexColor with our index and color. Running the game still shows us our old color, and this has two reasons. First, in our material we have to set the flag vertex color use as Albedo, which means it will use the color we gave the vertex. The second is our green color we gave the planet. We need to change it to something light or transparent, because in the standard rendering of colors are added to each other, like putting two different pieces of colored glass behind each other. White or standard glass lets all the other colors through. Somehow everything is the color of sand, because I made a mistake in our manipulation function. The distance calculation should be after the vertex manipulation, or every vertex is still the radius of the sphere. But now we got a planet with beach, green and snow.